Check that out. Man, that bark from that salt and pepper looks so good. Ooh-wee. Y'all see what we got here? We got us a big old 2-pack of whole spare ribs. I'm gonna chop them up, turn to St. Louis ribs. And we throwing an SPG rub on there. We gonna call this St. Louis SPG ribs. All right, folks, we gonna go ahead and make our own SPG rub seasoning. Super simple. You already got these ingredients in your house, so no need to go out and buy it. For these ribs, we gonna do 2 teaspoons of kosher salt there. We just gonna even everything out. Super simple. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. 2 teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper. That's it, y'all. And then we just gonna stir it up. I know some people like to put it on separately. I'm just gonna make it all together, just one mixture, and do everything together. And season these ribs. Huge. This one normal size. Y'all see what we gotta do? Let's do our favorite part. Let's do some trimming. I know it's these are a little raggedy, but we gonna make them look pretty. I guess that's why some people be like, hey man, I'd rather just buy it already cut. But me, I'm a control freak. I just like to do stuff myself and just know that I did it. All right, let's get this membrane. See if it's gonna give me some problems. I'm still a rookie with the membrane, y'all. You know, but I get it. I know some people say take a spoon or whatever. I just like doing it this way. Taking these nice gloves, they got a nice grip on them, and go ahead and get up under here. Work it all the way through and get it off. All right, let's just go ahead and get this flap off first. This side, we do got some fat, y'all. We do got some fat. We ain't gonna let it stress us out. Just gonna go ahead and take it off. That's it. Just take it off. Trust me, they're gonna look pretty when we get finished with them. Go ahead and take this rib tip off, y'all. Get it all lined up. Just like that. And we flip it like that. So we can just go straight down the middle. I know we're gonna do something nice with this. Got our seasoning all in one combination. Just like that. Bone side. Now let's get to the meat side. Look like we ain't even have to use all this mixture, because we're not gonna smother it like we do with a typical barbecue rub. You know, the sides, yeah, the sides. That's it. We still got some rubs left over. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna let this sit overnight. We're gonna get up in the morning, have us some delicious St. Louis ribs, SPG. Rain or shine. Put it on here like that. Ooh, it's nice and hot. Almost burned myself. Should have my gloves on. Bunch that meat up. Bunch it up. And we'll go right there. Meter probe. Got it up in there. We're going to take these up to, what, 197? We got a little rain, but they ain't going to stop us. Ain't no stopping us now.
Yeah.
I got a piece of hickory. What's this, baby? Pecan? All right, we're going to let this rock for about an hour, and then I'm going to do a flip, and we're going to see how it goes. It's going to be delicious. It's raining cats and dogs. I'm hoping I don't put my fire out, and we still got to get it done. Check that out. 2 hours on here now. Man, that bark from that salt and pepper looks so good. In the spritz bottle, y'all, we got lime juice, apple cider vinegar, W sauce, and some water. Let's go ahead and flip it to that other side. Ooh-wee. All right, so let it go for about another hour. It's been 2 hours now. This may only be 3 hours St. Louis ribs. We in the rain. All right, we're gonna flip them over to this other side again. Spritz, no wrapping. About 45 minutes. We're gonna take it in, slice it up, and be eating. All right, it's time to go get this rib off. SPG, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Cut that little small. Our cutting game was getting better. You know, we used to struggle at that. You know, still ain't no pro. I'm still a rookie at the cutting game. But we getting there. Presentation's sake, we'll just put this one to the side. Want y'all do me a quick favor? Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe real quick. It's looking pretty good there, baby. I'm gonna take my hat off. Ooh. I had my hat on, man. Got soaked out there. Let's see if these ribs were worth it. Let's go for this little pretty baby here. See what we got. That's the bite I was going for too. Doing that bite mark. That's why I took it off at 197. Pure rib. Flavor just right. It is perfection on the seasoning. I'm about to eat up.